So that's with the post office. I don't know if y'all miss anything what I said about showing on the scale. Let me show you again, because I didn't get it. The package weighs 36 pounds. 35, 15.8 ounces. You round it up, 36 pounds. And so forth. That's what the post office and FedEx and all them going to do. They're going to round it up. Okay. So we got the weight. Now next we're going to get our measurements and everything. And so I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. So now what we want is the length, width, and height. Have your measuring tape handy. Measure up. 20 inches high. I got 20, 17. I want to say 13. 20, 17, 13. Let's put that in. Okay, so let me bring y'all over here. I'm going to show you, now I'm going to show you on the computer. I'll try to keep the buyer's information private. But I'm going to show you on the computer actually what's going on here. Okay, so let me do this.